All right, gang, welcome back. So this evening I'm gonna get you a little driving video of we're gonna drive through Paris Landing State Park. There you see the sign, Paris Landing State Resort Park. We won't cover the entire park. I believe this thing is like over 800 square acres, 800 acres actually. But down this way there is the Paris Landing Inn, which they actually just rebuilt the inn about a year or so ago. They tore down the old inn and built a new one. One thing about Tennessee and West Tennessee, we have our fair share of state parks. So if you enjoy the outdoors, you will definitely enjoy this area. All right, guys, so this is the new inn right here, the Paris Landing Inn. That's it right there. That is a very beautiful place. That's the new inn they built. And we used to stay at the old Paris Landing Inn quite a bit back in the day when I was a teenager. Pull in here, I'll get you a video of it better. There's one of the park rangers. Beautiful inn they built here. Very nice. I have not been to this new inn here. I've not stayed at this new inn. We did stay at the old inn several times back in the day. I don't know if this is actually bigger than the old one or the same size, or I couldn't tell you. It looks bigger to me. But it's a beautiful inn. Very, very nice for sure. I love the entranceway there. Maybe I can put a link in the description to the park so you can look on there and see all the amenities they offer and so forth. The lower level entrance there, I guess. Very nice place though. So we got people here from all over Missouri. All those vehicles are from Missouri, so they must have something going on here. Again, this state park is over 800 acres. I can't remember exactly how big it is, but it's a huge state park. It's on the, of course, they dammed up the Tennessee River years ago and made what is now the Kentucky Lake. So this park is on Kentucky Lake. We'll run down by the lake real quick and show you that. I think this building over here is like a convention, maybe like a convention center or something. Cannot remember, to be honest, guys. They have cabins that you can rent, like for the weekend or by the night or whatever. I don't know how they rent them, but back down in here somewhere are the cabins. Up that way. That's where we exit the park. Down here, we're going back down toward the lake access. And over here, they've got a swimming pool. Way back over there, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a little playground for like little kids and stuff. But, there's a pool up there somewhere. I can't remember. Maybe it's in that building. I've never been to it. Obviously, tennis courts. People out there playing tennis today. Like a little softball field over here. Of course, they've got a lot of pavilions where you can set up and picnic or whatever. Large shelter, you can reserve them. Right over here, over the hill, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it. That's an event stage where when they have events down here and have like music or whatever, that's where they'll play on that stage over there. There's the lake over there, Kentucky Lake. Just a beautiful state park. It's 7 o'clock in the evening, so not a lot of people out here, to be honest. I'll drive down by the edge of the lake, let you guys see that. Again, they've got picnic tables and pavilions, a lot of areas where you can set up, and like I said, you can reserve them. You see right there's like the little picnic areas, and they've all got little grills with them and stuff. So several of those throughout the park. We don't have the conveniences that you have in the larger cities, but if you love the outdoors, West Tennessee is not a bad place. Like I said, guys, we used to come down here all the time when I was younger. Get you a shot of the lake right here. I got a Jeep coming up behind me, but just beautiful water. There's a guy out there on a little sea-doo or something. And all along the edge of the water here, they've got these little picnic tables and grills. Like I said, every one of them's got its own little grill with it. Again, back over here. People walking their dogs. Boat going across out there. Get down here, I'm gonna pull up, guys, and get out and get you a real good shot of the lake, across the lake out there. You got your little porta potty set up out here, guys. Let's get out of the car, walk over here to the water's edge and get a better shot of this water. Again, guys, this is Kentucky Lake. Like I said, years ago, they dammed off the Tennessee River and made what you see here today, Kentucky Lake. We do have a swimming area back up here to my left as well. I believe there's a little boat launch over there. As I was saying, guys, they have these little concrete picnic tables just scattered all throughout the area over here. I couldn't tell you how many there are. Several of them. They've all got the little grills where you can grill out and cook out. It's a beautiful, peaceful place, and a very nice breeze blowing out here right now. Back over there, you can see the back of the inn. So if you got one of those rooms on the back side, you're going to be overlooking the lake here. It's just huge, beautiful. All right, guys, there you go. Paris Landing State Park. Beautiful Kentucky Lake.